In lane 1, the wings, comprised of Johnson, Martin, Jackson, and Bickham. Lane 2, the wings, is comprised of Barrett, Houston, Cheeks, and Reed. Lane 5, the Clovers, with Lazama, Simeon, Green, and Jones. The Hurricanes, with Collins, Moore, Maldonado, and Shake. Pearland Track Express with Bible, Grant, Hill, and Hobson. And finally, the Mainland Jaguars, comprised of Sowell, Jones, Harris, and Afiani.
On the left, yep, because he ain't crazy to go.
Jaguars taking the lead. Pearland Track Express doubles down on that. So it's Pearland Track Express, a comfortable lead, followed by the Wings and the H-Town Hurricanes.
Let's go, Chief!
PTX, Wings, Hurricanes and Wings.
Yeah.
He was talking about right here. Is that Jacob?
53. That's Crystal and brother.
Oh, wow.
His name Chris.
Okay.
Changes being made on the back straight.
Let's go, Chief!
PTX bringing it home. The Wings following suit. .322.42 unofficially.
All right, now they running a little good. 322.
They needed to go up here.
341.